7 miles east of Lake Wales, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball sign. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Colusa to near Moorhaven, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Moorhaven, Colusa, Liberty Point, Lake Harbor, Clewiston, and Buckhead Ridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.